Are you tired of heavy, hard-to-use mops that leave streaks and miss tough spots? Meet the Microfiber Spray Mop for floors cleaning. A lightweight, easy-to-use solution designed to make your cleaning routine faster and more efficient. With its ergonomic handle and built-in spray function, this mop offers effortless maneuverability, making it perfect for busy homeowners, pet owners, parents, and even students. Whether you need a quick cleanup after a spill or a deep cleaning session, this mop delivers spotless results with minimal effort. Designed for versatility, this multi-purpose floor mop works on multiple surfaces, including hardwood, tile, laminate, vinyl, and even marble. No matter what type of flooring you have, it ensures a streak-free shine every time. Plus, it's not just for homes. It's ideal for commercial spaces like offices, restaurants, and studios. Its 360-degree rotating head allows it to reach under furniture, into corners, and along edges where dirt tends to accumulate. Unlike traditional mops that struggle with tight spaces, this one glides effortlessly, ensuring a more thorough clean. What makes this mop even more effective is its 3 high-absorbent microfiber pads. These reusable and machine-washable pads provide superior cleaning by trapping dust, dirt, and spills. Instead of constantly buying disposable pads, you can simply wash and reuse these, making it an eco-friendly and cost-saving choice. Plus, they're fully compatible with the Swiffer Power Mop, giving you even more flexibility. Whether you need a dry mop for dusting or a wet mop for deep cleaning, these microfiber pads are designed to tackle it all. One of the standout features is the refillable bottle, which allows you to customize your cleaning solution. Just fill it with your preferred cleaner or plain water for a quick, chemical-free clean. However, to keep your mop in great condition, avoid using strong acids, alkalis, or boiling water, as these can damage the internal components. With the perfect combination of convenience, efficiency, and eco-friendliness, the Microfiber Spray Mop is a must-have tool for any home or workplace. Upgrade your cleaning routine today. This mop is designed to make life easier, whether you're tackling daily messes or deep cleaning every corner of your home. Say goodbye to traditional mops and hello to a smarter, faster, and more effective way to keep your floors spotless. Try the Microfiber Spray Mop and experience the difference.